Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Tuesday, and we are now at the 26th of April, coming to the end of the month, 2022, right after 8:30 a.m. You know, it's Tuesday reversal day. You had a big up rally by the end of the day on Monday, and what do? You walk in this morning, and the market has been coming down. As I was recording about 5:15, 5:20 this morning, that's a.m. Central Time, my morning update, it became clear to me that you got to be careful right here. The dollar was getting a bid. The Japanese yen was getting a bid, reversing what I thought was a interesting downtrend, but over on that part. You're keeping the pressure on the euro. It cracked the 107 level, and the metal markets are getting a minor bounce. Minor. There's no big change going on there. You've put a bid back into the energy markets. They're making up, $2 of about a $6 loss overall yesterday. Keep your eye on the nat gas. You want to get away from this May. I don't know why I still have it up there, but we've got to remove that right now. You've got to move over into the June. The bonds and notes, more short covering coming into the market. Now, is it because of the economic data? I don't know. If you take a look, you see the U.S. monthly advanced durable goods. They came in lower than expected. 0.8 increase versus the expected 1/10. If we saw durable goods ex transportation, it looked pretty good, up 1.1% versus a prior down 0.6, and ex defense it was up 1.2, down 2.7. So sort of an interesting story. I can tell a little bit of positive and negative. Red Book sales. If you were listening to my morning subscriber video, I was telling my subscribers, expect between a 12 and maybe 15% increase. That seems to be what it's running, and that's about it. Case-Shiller Homes beating again. They're just pricing everybody out. You know, the stock market's down. Most investments are lower this year, not homes. They're up 20% from a year ago. Look at the metro prices, up 2.4% versus the prior month. The Richmond Fed manufacturing data comes out in about, half hour from now. So far, we've seen the Chicago and Dallas Fed numbers weak. U.S. home sales comes out at 9 o'clock. So price is up. Are we going to see the home sales increase? Pretty soon they start picking up because families decide to move on. They got to change school districts, whatever they're going to do. We'll see what that all does as they start looking at homes there. The Conference Board's consumer confidence comes out this morning at 9. We got a lot of data, as you can see. And at the end of the day, the API numbers come out. So what do I see going on? I want to sum this up. I am seeing markets go to lower and upper Bollinger Bands in reverse just like that. This is exactly what I teach. If you want to learn more about this, what's going on right now, and how to work with the Bollinger Bands, take a look at this. Welcome. I'm Ira Epstein, and I'm here to talk about my enhanced Bollinger Band course. Now, many of you have taken my regular charting course, and if not, you might think you know something about Bollinger Bands. As you know, Bollinger Bands are an algorithm designed to keep the market trading within it 95% of the time, and on a chart, it will offer on the top part resistance, on the bottom support, and the idea is the market will travel within them. We know that sometimes it latches onto that band, goes up or goes down. Well, how do you play with that? Can you pyramid the positions off that type of thinking? Well, I've applied all three of these into 13 different videos that teach you my concept of it. And from that concept, you're able to work with weekly charts and or daily charts. The 13 videos, each about 7 minutes long. The idea here is not to put you in school forever, but to teach. Now, if you haven't tried my complete futures research, I throw that in as well. Whether you've tried this or not, I think it's worth taking a look at. I think you're going to learn something from there. That research, by the way, covers twice daily market updates for you and access to what I call window envelope numbers, which I think are very important when looking at these Bollinger Bands. The next part is a trial to our charting software so you can make your charts look the same way that mine do. It's that simple. Where do you go with it and how do you get all this? It's simple. You go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. If you go to the word education, everything you need is answered there. You can also call my staff. They'll be happy to help you get set up. I'm Ira Epstein, on the road to your education.